Alright, so mom, listen to me dalawa lang po ang mananalo ng cash at ng sauce. So, kailangan magka-fashion show po kayo. Pag tinawag kong pangalan ninyo, dito po kayo pupunta. Dito at dito. Okay? Okay so, guys, everybody kayong judge at this time So, come on, proceed tayo sa back. Doon tayo sa likod. And when I call your name, guys, magka-fashion show lang tayo. Alright? Okay, so are you ready, guys? Alright, so let's give it up for Miss Paris Santiago. Alright, so at this time, kapag